Okay guys, I'm going to show you really quickly how to share your video when you're done. Obviously I'm not done, I have 2 slides, but let's pretend I was. I would go click preview video and it will show me a little bit of what my video would look like and where it would put the things that and where they go. This is where you would decide if you want to keep editing it or if you want to produce it. Produce means to turn it into the final copy. And mine's taking just a few seconds. It really does take just a minute to generate that. You wouldn't think so long, being that it is 2 slides. Okay, I watch it. When I watched it, I saw that I didn't capitalize the C of Christopher, and I probably should do that. So I should click continue editing. But since I want to show you how to get finished with it, I would click produce. I will need to give it a title, producer name, and you can write a description or a date. It'll add a cover image, and then you're going to click finish. This part, and so you just got to wait patiently while it does that. I have my video finalized. You scroll down and it says share. It should have a link. All you have to do is copy that link, go to your Google Classroom. You will find the assignment. So ours is Animoto Book Talk, and under class comments, it's pretty simple to add your comment, just add your link, and click post. So super simple, and then you're done. Thanks.